are going to love the 2022 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.